Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Jacob here, and welcome back to Vegan Life, where we explore exciting ways to improve our health and well-being through the power of plants. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. If you've been thinking about transitioning to a plant-based diet but don't know where to start, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 essential steps to help you successfully embrace a plant-based lifestyle. And trust us when we say, the last few tips are the absolute game changers you won't want to miss. So, make sure to stick around until the end. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Educate yourself. Before you embark on any new journey, knowledge is key. Start by learning about the benefits of a plant-based diet, like improved heart health, increased energy levels, and reduced environmental impact. Gather information from reputable sources, watch documentaries, and follow inspiring plant-based influencers to stay motivated. Step 2. Stock up on plant-powered goodness. Fill your kitchen with an abundance of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These wholesome plant-based staples will form the foundation of your new diet, providing you with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Step 3. Experiment with new recipes. Embrace the culinary adventure that awaits you. Try out different plant-based recipes to discover exciting flavors, textures, and combinations. Get creative with your meals and explore the vast array of plant-based options available. And before we continue, I ask you please leave your like and subscribe to the channel, because this way you will help the vegan community a lot and will receive content like this every day. Step 4. Prioritize your health. Remember, a plant-based diet isn't just about what you eat, but also how you take care of yourself. Make sure to exercise regularly, get enough sleep, and stay hydrated. A healthy body and mind will help you stay committed to your plant-based journey. Step 5. Seek professional guidance. Consulting a nutritionist or dietitian who specializes in plant-based diets can provide you with personalized advice, ensuring you meet all your nutritional needs. They can help you create a balanced meal plan and address any concerns you might have during your transition. Step 6. Explore plant-based alternatives. One of the keys to a successful transition is finding plant-based substitutes for your favorite animal-based products. There's a wide range of options available today, including plant-based milks, cheeses, meats, and desserts. Experiment and find the ones that work best for you. Step 7. Get yourself a vegan cookbook. Having a collection of delicious plant-based recipes at your fingertips is a game-changer. A vegan cookbook can provide you with inspiration, guidance, and variety in your meals. Explore different cuisines and techniques to keep your taste buds excited and satisfied. And if you are looking for a great vegan cookbook, I can help you in this journey. Get ready to ignite your taste buds and revolutionize your culinary journey with the ultimate vegan cookbook. Packed with over 100 delectable plant-based recipes, this cookbook is a game-changer for anyone looking to embrace a healthier, compassionate lifestyle. From savory main courses to irresistible desserts, it has everything you need to create show-stopping meals that will impress even the most skeptical of taste testers. So, click in the link of the description of this video to start this epic journey. Step 8. Plan and prepare ahead. To set yourself up for success, dedicate some time each week to meal planning and prepping. This will help you stay on track, save time, and avoid resorting to unhealthy food choices when you're in a rush. Plus, it's a great opportunity to get creative in the kitchen. Step 9. Embrace a supportive community. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can make a world of difference during your transition. Join plant-based groups on social media, participate in online forums, or attend local meetups. Sharing your experiences, exchanging recipes, and receiving support from others on a similar journey will keep you motivated and inspired. Step 10. Be kind to yourself and stay persistent. Remember, transitioning to a plant-based diet is a journey, not an overnight transformation. It's okay to make mistakes or have occasional slip-ups. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and stay persistent. Each small step you take is a step towards a healthier, more compassionate lifestyle. We hope you're feeling inspired to embark on your plant-based journey. By following these 10 steps, you're well on your way to a successful transition to a plant-based diet. Also be sure to check out another video that I did, giving 8 fantastic tips to get you started in veganism more easily and effectively. I will leave the video on the final screen and in the description of this video here for you to check. Remember, the power of plants is incredible, and by embracing a plant-based lifestyle, you're not only benefiting your own health but also contributing to the well-being of the planet and its inhabitants. Comment below if you are willing to start this journey by taking these simple steps that you have checked here. So go ahead, take that first step, and let the magic of plants transform your life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.